Okay, we're gonna go over the hydration plan for my pile. So I've got most of all the materials here in 5-gallon buckets, and then I have two wheelbarrows. This held 4 buckets of brown material, and this held 3. And then I have a blue tote down there that is equivalent to 2 buckets. So for my brown material, I plan on soaking this, pre-soaking it, starting late Saturday afternoon, and just filling it to the top here. The wheelbarrows, I did mix in my leaves with the kind of the larger bark and wood chips, so I hope that's okay. I do have 2 buckets dedicated to failed compost piles, and this particular failed pile is fairly broken down, and it's still pretty moist, so I don't plan on soaking this. I'll probably just give it a spritz of water, sprinkle, when I'm incorporating it into my pile. And then this is my green material. It's grass hay and alfalfa. We've got these really full, and then I'll plan to hydrate those on Sunday, probably late morning, early afternoon, but we'll stay within the 4-hour recommended window for pre-soaking. I also need to add 2 more buckets of fresh green material, which I plan to get from inside my greenhouse, which is this right there. It's a jungle in there. I'm a pretty lazy gardener, so I need to do some pruning, and thought that I could just easily grab 2 fresh cuttings worth of probably tomato clippings, comfrey, maybe some weeds, but everything would just be really fresh and wouldn't require soaking. Probably just give it a little sprinkle of water, before I incorporate it into my pile. And then I have these buckets left over. I'm going to use those for my horse manure, which I plan to grab Sunday morning, just so I can get the freshest stuff possible. And then any drier stuff, I'll probably just give that a little bit of a soak, not more than an hour, right before I start to assemble my pile.